how to install Elementor in WordPress. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your browser and kindly go to wordpress.com and simply sign in your account in here. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a widely used open source content management system that allows users to create, manage, and modify websites easily without requiring extensive technical knowledge. And now to start installing Elementor in WordPress, we can start navigating on the left side panel, the option in here that says plugins. So all you need to do is simply scroll down until you find this plugins option and proceed by clicking this add new option. By clicking add new plugin, from here all you need to do is simply go to the search bar and kindly search Elementor. And upon searching on it, all you need to do from here is scroll down to the result and simply install in here this Elementor website builder. However, as you can see, I already installed this. That's why there is no install option available in here. However, if you do, just simply click the install button and click the active button after installing this Elementor, in which it can help you to build a website easily using a variety of templates that it offers. Clicking the install plugins button on the left side panel, it will show you in here the list of the plugins that you just installed, and one of these is this Elementor, which you could also check to see if the Elementor has now been activated and installed. And using this Elementor, we could also proceed by clicking these appearances to add a new website. Just click the themes and simply search here on the search bar the Astra theme, or add a new one by clicking this add new theme button in here. Upon clicking on it, you simply go to the search bar once again and search this Astra in here and click install to proceed. Upon installing it, it will show you in here the active button after installing it and click disactivate. Upon activating this one, you will now be able to be directed on the page where you can start in here customizing this website. And by clicking on it, we can click the starter templates button below. And upon doing so, it will show you that you can now start creating or build the website either using AI website builder or classic starter template. And I'm going to choose the template. And upon clicking on it, you select here the page builder and just choose Elementor. And upon clicking on it, it will show you in here a variety of website template to choose from, where you can also navigate here some of the free options that they offer with different kind of categories. But for example, I'm going to search for the agency website in here. So upon searching on it, it will show you all of the result of agency website template that you can choose from to navigate and also customize to your own. And once you try to click on it, you can also start adding on the left side panel the site logo, the font size, or choose your own color palette, and many more. And after that, you could also select here the feature that you want to add to your website. Or alternatively, you could click the skip this step button to proceed. Upon skipping it, you could also start clicking these boxes and click submit and build my website button. And from here, all you need to do is to wait for it to build your website, or wait for the percentage of this to be 100%, since currently all of the important details is being imported, including the widgets in here. And upon importing all the details that we just enter, and from here we can start clicking this view your website in order to see what our website looks like. And from here it will show you what it looks like, where you can start navigating some of the section pages such as home, services, about, contact option. But you can start also customizing by clicking this edit with Elementor. We could also start customizing using the editing tools that we can start choosing on the left side panel. We have here elements, widgets, we have here container, grid, heading, and by clicking, for example, the services, we can start choosing to add his example. Instead only services, I'm going to add our services. Now as you can see, the context has now been changed. We could also change the style, the color, the font size, and even the typography, text stroke, text shadow, blend, and many more. So you could also, depending on your preferences, navigate to change some of the style, design, layout of this template in here. And if you're now done, you can now proceed by clicking the publish button on the top right corner to save the changes of some of this that we just customized. And basically, using Elementor in WordPress is important because it empowers users to design and customize their websites with ease without needing any coding skills. And as a powerful drag and drop page builder, Elementor simplifies the process of creating visually appealing and highly functional web pages, in which there's a variety of elements that we can choose from and widgets, such as for layout, basic, and even globals in here that we prefer to add in our website templates. And all of these are available only using the Elementor that we just install and activate. And now by clicking the publish button on the top right corner, we can start publishing it or saving this as a draft after creating a website using Elementor. But overall, that is just basically how you can install Elementor in WordPress.